Home workout that will make you lose weight fast. Exercise at home is an excellent method to maintain your health and fitness without having to purchase pricey equipment or a club membership. For persons of various fitness levels, the following are some of the top at-home exercise options. 1. Yoga. Yoga is a great way to improve flexibility, balance, and strength. There are many different styles of yoga, so you can find one that suits your fitness level and preferences. You can find many free yoga videos online that can be done at home. 2. Dumbbell and resistance band workouts. Dumbbells and resistance bands are inexpensive and versatile pieces of equipment that can be used for a variety of exercises. Examples include bicep curls, triceps extensions, and rows. 3. Cardio. Cardio exercise is great for burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. You can do cardio at home by going for a run or a bike ride outside, or by using a treadmill or stationary bike. 4. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT is a type of cardio that alternates short bursts of intense activity with periods of rest. It's a great way to burn calories and improve cardiovascular fitness. Examples include jumping jacks, mountain climbers, and burpees. 5. Bodyweight exercises. Bodyweight exercises are a simple and effective way to work out at home. They can be done anywhere and don't require any equipment. Examples include push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks. It's important to remember that consistency is key when it comes to home workouts. Aim to work out for at least 30 minutes a day, most days of the week. It's also important to consult with a doctor or trainer before starting any new exercise program.
Please subscribe for more.